Good morning, innovators, judges and creators. We aren't just participants today. We are the co-creators of the Viksit Bharat dream. We stand here ready to transform the caffeine and code into the next generation of Indian solutions.
Let's first learn about the Indian traffic system, which basically consists of 3 traffic lights. Red means stop, yellow means move slow, and green means go.
Friends, we aspire to a Viksit Bharat, a developed nation. Yet, our dreams is being brutally interrupted on our own roads. Our India contributes to over 10% of global deaths due to traffic. 30% of pollution comes from PUC expired certificates. Now let's see the graph. In the year 2022, we have 1,68,000 fatalities due to the traffic road accidents. In 2023, we have 1,72,000. In 2024, we have over 1,73,000. But in 2025, in the first 6 months, we have only 29,018 fatalities. But this number can also exceed like them if we didn't take any action. Road crashes are not just a social disaster, they are a direct roadblock to prosperity. GDP loss. Our India estimated about 3% to 5% GDP loss annually. Poverty trap. The impact is heaviest on the poor. According to the sources Zootopia, which assesses road safety worldwide, states that India holds 49th rank on the basis of road traffic incidents, making it one of the dangerous countries in the world.
A few months back, I went to Prayagraj for the Mahakumbh Mela. While the spiritual energy was immense, the sheer chaos I experienced was unforgettable. I personally experienced the toxic clouds formed by the vehicles idling for days, and like everyone else there, I suffered from coughing, eye irritation and difficulty in breathing. Even when I returned, the impact was still visible, contributing to 2.5% PM in the connecting cities like Delhi.
Despite traffic modernization, India's traffic still faces congestion, weak road enforcement and high pollution. We still lean on manual signal control. Sheer overcrowding and poor driver discipline often leads to accidents and delays. Whereas Dubai? Dubai's roads are managed by AI-powered smart lights and surveillance cameras. Every vehicle violation is instantly recorded and fines are auto-generated through its alarm system. What's the result? Zero manual corruption, smoother flow and significantly reduced jams. Singapore runs on data-driven traffic control. Its electronic road pricing and score mechanism that charges vehicles automatically through rush hours, which is a dynamic strategy. South Korea uses NOT signals, GPS tracking and dedicated bus lanes to monitor movement in real time. Dubai, Singapore and South Korea are determined on the strict technology penalties. They use a method that makes every road and every journey safe.
Now let's view our solution, the Rasta.
On the Home tab, you can view your quick actions, which consist of PUC renewal, RTO services, e-challans and e-coins. Below that is the live timing of the traffic signals around you. And after that is a recent activity, which consists of PUC certificate renewed, e-challan paid, vehicle service reminder and many more maintenance history. The second tab is a traffic tab, using which you can view alternative routes for the traffic. The third one is the vehicle tab, which has all your vehicle details, mileage analytics, RTO services and maintenance reminders. The fourth tab is the payments tab, using which you can pay your toll, pending e-challans and do recent transactions, and by being a responsible citizen, you can also earn e-coins which can be redeemed. And the fifth and the last tab is the profile tab, which has all your personal details.
So, to conclude, India's future is smart, automatic and non-negotiable. The adoption of Rasta will prove us on the right path, but the change requires more than just technology. It requires change from every driver. Change doesn't start with banning vehicles. It starts with making them intelligent. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. May every journey in India be a safer and smarter one.